Hello, thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying out the Landworks chipper here for the first time. I just put oil in this. I put 30 weight. Here's the chart here. It's recommended to put 1540, but you can see the temperature chart over here, and it's about 90 degrees, so I'm going with 30 weight to put that in. I didn't see any instructions, and you want to read your instruction manual with your book. I didn't see anything about how to put the oil in. There is one dipstick over here that's kind of locked in. Other dipstick is over here. I pushed the chipper on the side and put the oil through this dipstick over here. Here's the side chute. We're putting limbs in up to 3 inches. We're putting in limbs large to small, large ends first. Okay, let me show you the chute here and the knives. So again, the spark plug wire is off for this, but you can see one of the knives right there. There's 2 knives that rotates around when the engine is running, and cuts the wood. Now the hopper here will accept branches up to 1/2 inch, so it's mainly for just brush, you know, light brush, leaves, that kind of stuff. We can open up the hopper right there, and that's operated with 4 hammers. I don't know if we can see those. Maybe that's one right there that will chop and the light brush or branches that can be accessed by taking this panel off right here to clean out that. Here's the discharge chute right here. Got the bag off to begin with, so we can kind of see what it's going to look like. So you can kind of control it a little bit here. I need to tighten that if you can. Just put my gas in. You don't want to overfill. Leave room for gas expansion. I put about 1/2 quart of oil, and that got me about 3/4 on the dipstick, so we're good with that. Alright, so I want to make sure that the gas valve is on. We've got the on-off button here. You can see that. That's on. I'm going to put it choke all the way. Once it starts, I'm going to put it in midway and let it idle for about 30 seconds, and then put it on all the way to the run. I'm going to put this in the middle. Should be like about right there. Put the spark plug wire on. Okay, I'm not having a whole lot of success with the hopper here. I don't think I have the best material for that. From what I can tell, you just need fine leaves. I've got a lot of branches and twigs mixed in, and mine's kind of wet, so it's getting clogged. So I've got to go in here and unclog it. You can take the back off. So once I get that unclogged, I'll start it back up, and we will probably finish up with some more limbs, some bigger limbs. Yeah, let's take a look at what we've got here. Now I put this on when I was working with the hopper, so as you can see, it is mostly leaves here. Yeah, we got a good chip size here. It's broken down, cut down to about 15 times. The bag was just that I emptied. That was mainly leaves. All this was from those limbs that I was putting through the chute there. So yeah, it cuts it up nice. I like that. All right, I guess that's going to be it for Landworks. My experience with the Landworks here, I was really impressed with the way that it self-fed itself. Those limbs, small branches, up to about 2.5 inches. The 3-inch, you saw it bogged it down, even with the full throttle there. So won't be using any 3 inches or over 3 inches. I will need to prepare my limbs. I wasn't prepared this time around. We just had a big pile here that we've been building up here over the year with just raking leaves, limbs, vines, everything in that pile, and that's just not the right material that I found for the machine here. But I am going to be needing the mulch throughout the year for some trees that I have, so I'll be using this in the springtime with freshly cut limbs and branches that we're going to be cutting. But I will need to prep those, I can tell, making sure that they are as straight as possible. Probably use a chainsaw to do that and just put them all to one side instead of making something like this. This right here is going to have to be burned, and with the Landworks, the burning will probably stop eventually, and that's another reason I wanted to get it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I think it's worth the money. Also, you can easily buy replacement blades for this that I found. It's another reason I wanted to purchase this one over another one that I was looking at. And I guess that's going to be it. What I will do is I'm going to start it one more time and run it out of gas by turning the shut-off valve there, letting it run out of fuel. Then I'll put it up and we'll use it probably another month or so. If I'm not going to use it, I will drain all the gas out if it's going to be a long storage time. So anyway, I think that's going to be it today. Thank you for watching the video. Till next time, have a great day and take care.